Hello everyone, this is Renu and today's topic is pronoun. Pronoun are the words that are used in place of nouns. What are pronouns? These are the words that are used in place of nouns. Now question is that why do we use pronouns? Then it's very simple because we don't want to repeat same word again and again. So we use pronouns as my cat name is Fluffy. It is small and white. So here in these sentences, I'm talking about my cat whose name is Fluffy. So I don't want to repeat same word again and again. So I would like to use it in place of cat, in place of Fluffy. Next example, Ram is not well. Ram is not well. He is going to the doctor. So here in this sentence, I'm talking about the Ram and I don't want to repeat same word Ram again and again. So I would like to use he in place of it. And it is a male, it's a masculine gender, and for all the masculine gender we use he. This is the rule. Okay. Pronouns. What are the use of pronouns? How do we use them correctly? So it is very simple to understand as this is Rajesh. This is Rajesh. He speaks Tamil. So here in this sentence I am talking about Rajesh and Rajesh is a masculine gender and for all the masculine gender we use he. It's the rule of pronoun whenever we are going to talk about any masculine gender then for that will be used, the pronoun that will be used, that is only he. This is Sumitra. Here I am talking about a girl. So for Sumitra I would like to use she. So as you can see, this is Sumitra and she is a dancer. This is Sumitra and she is a dancer. So here in this sentence I used she because for the feminine gender, for the females, for the girls we use she. This is Amish and Tara. So here in this sentence I am talking about two boys. Two boys. So whenever we talk about two girls or boys we use they. They live in Delhi. So whenever we are going to talk about two people or more than two people, two things, more than two things, we always use they as a pronoun. This is an elephant. It is big and strong. So here we are talking about an elephant. And for the non-living things and animals, we use it as a pronoun. This is me and Maya. We are best friends. So here in this sentence, I'm talking about me and Maya. So whenever we talk about us and along with other, then we use we as a pronoun. So this is me and Maya. So I'm talking about me and Maya here. So I would like to use we as a pronoun. So it's very simple to understand ki how do we use pronouns correctly. First of all, I would like to tell these are the words that are used in place of nouns to avoid the repetition. And then I would like to tell you second thing ki we use pronouns according to their gender. Masculine gender, for the masculine gender we use he. For the feminine gender, we use she. For the non-living things, we use it. And for the neuter gender, it depends on the sentence. Okay? And for more than one person or more than one thing, when we are not talking about us, for the others, we use they. And if we include us also, then we use we. I hope pronouns are clear to you. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please do like and share and do not forget to subscribe our channel.